Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys had a fantastic holiday and also a happy new year. In today's video, I will be discussing another key element that can elevate your shots: framing. Let's dive right in. Framing 101, the rule of thirds. One of the most well-known guidelines for framing is called the rule of thirds. Picture a grid dividing your frame into 9 equal parts with 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Where those lines intersect, you get 4 points. The rule of thirds is to place your subject or your main focal point in one of those intersecting points. By doing so, it creates a balanced and dynamic shot that's pleasing to the eye. This is especially great for wide or medium shots where you want to incorporate the location within the frame. There are so many different ways to frame a shot, which can be overwhelming. So if you don't know where to start, use the rule of thirds as a guideline, but don't forget to experiment. Some of the most impactful shots come from breaking the rule. For example, centering your subject can create a sense of symmetry or power and focus. This can be very effective for a close-up where you really want to emphasize what the character may be feeling. Also, if you're filming a lot of vertical content, the rule of thirds still applies. So if you aren't sure how to frame a vertical shot, start by placing your subject in one of the 4 intersecting points. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you on your videography journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. I will see you on the next one.